Fasil Ghebbi, Gonder. Fasil Ghebbi is located in the Gonder city of Ethiopia. The serial property consists of 8 components. Within the Fasil Ghebbi Palace compound are the Castle of Emperor Fasilidas, the Castle of Emperor Iyasu, the Library of Tzadich Yohannes, the Chancellery of Tzadich Yohannes, the Castle of Emperor David, the Palace of Mentuab, and Banqueting Hall of the Emperor Bekaffa. The remaining 7 components are located in and around the city of Gonder: the Debre Berhan Selassie, the Bath of Fasilidas, Kiddush Yohannes, Qusqam, thermal area, the Susunios or Maryam Ghemb, the Gorgora, and the Palace of Guzara. Between the 13th and 17th centuries, Ethiopian rulers moved their royal camps frequently. King Fasil settled in Gonder and established it as a permanent capital in 1636. Before its decline in the late 18th century, the royal court had developed from a camp into fortified compound called Fasil Ghebbi, consisting of 6 major building complexes and other ancillary buildings, surrounded by a wall 900 meters long with 12 entrances and 3 bridges. The fortress city functioned as the center of the Ethiopian government until 1864. It has some 20 palaces, royal buildings, highly decorated churches, monasteries, and unique public and private buildings transformed by the Baroque style brought to Gonder by the Jesuit missionaries. The main castle has huge towers and looming battlemented walls, resembling a piece of medieval Europe transposed to Ethiopia. Beyond the confines of the city to the northwest by the Kaha River, there is a 2-story pavilion of a bathing palace associated to Emperor Fasilidas. The building is 2-story battlemented structure situated within and on one side of the rectangular pool of water which was supplied by a canal from the nearby river. The bathing pavilion itself stands on pier arches and contains several rooms reached by a stone bridge, part of which could be raised for defense. Subsequent rulers, such as Iyasu the Great, continued building, improving the techniques and architectural style, and expanded to the hills northwest of the city center in the area known as Qusqam. Fasil Ghebbi and the other remains in Gonder city demonstrates a remarkable interface between internal and external cultures, with cultural elements related to Ethiopian Orthodox Church, Ethiopian Jews and Muslims. The relationship is expressed not only through the architecture of the sites but also through the handicrafts, painting, literature and music that flourished in the 17th and 18th centuries. After its decline in the 19th century, the city of Gonder continued to be an important commercial and transport hub for northwest Ethiopia. Some of the monuments still retain their original spiritual function, and the surrounding landscape has significant cultural importance for the local inhabitants. Welcome to the city of Fasilides, Gonder, one of Ethiopia's UNESCO registered place.
ያሸታል ካለም ንቆ ሀገር ሊያቆም ነው ቴዎድሮስ